it is an honour and privilege to launch the first BAFTA Awards. BAFTA standing for Beacon Hill Academy Form Tutor Awards. These end of term celebrations are taking place slightly differently from previous years, but despite the unprecedented times that we live in, we believe that it's important that we celebrate the success and achievements of our learners. Those awarded prizes and certificates this afternoon have been chosen for their outstanding achievement and performance during the past term. Our trust has 5 core values at heart. These values are about dreaming big, rewarding effort, leading together, respecting each other and our world, and learning that inspires. All of these values are truly embedded in the award winners this afternoon, and I cannot help but feel immensely proud in the way that all of you have responded to the challenges and the changes of this term. It is your determination, your dreams, your leadership, your respect for each other that inspires us and whose efforts we reward this afternoon. So without further ado, can I hand you over to Mr. Lynch, our Assistant Principal.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dharma, for the introduction. We're now going through all these new awards to give you a quick overview of which awards are going to happen and when. So to start off with, we'll go for our attendance awards. We'll then move our way through the merit trophies and the merit Amazon vouchers before we get on to any learners who've got an Amazon voucher for no lines, which is fantastic. We're really looking forward to rewarding so many learners for their behaviour and effort during this first term. And it's fantastic, we've got some additional Form Tutor awards that are taking place this afternoon as well. We're also really lucky to have some new Trust Awards, and they'll be coming through the programme as well, with some really large prizes for our students, which is fantastic. And of course, the learning managers and SLT will come around your classrooms, verified today, to hand out the all-important half-term challenge prize.
And the first award goes to learners that have shown a real commitment to all of our core values. And first of those core values is about dreaming big. This goes to learners that have shown a real commitment to learning, not just in school, but outside of school as well. And the Dreaming Big Award for Year 10 goes to Phoebe Baggett. Congratulations, Phoebe. Outstanding leadership and high aspirations, and has progressed to the ranks of corporal in the cadets. Well done, Phoebe. £20 Amazon voucher on its way to you.
Okay, we're now moving on to the attendance awards. And even at this time of year, attendance is so important. We've seen different schools and different year groups having issues with attendance. And obviously our aim is to get as many learners in school and can stay in school as long as possible. And a massive thanks to you all for your attendance so far this year. What I'm going to do now is to do the draw for the 2 winners for 95% attendance, getting a £5 voucher each, and also another draw for 2 winners getting a £10 voucher each. Don't forget, these vouchers will be sent directly to your school email, so please pick them up before the end of Christmas. Okay, now moving on to the Year 10 Attendance Awards, 95% attendance, which is a great achievement. You'll get yourself a certificate, which is also well deserved, and now it's a small monetary voucher from Amazon sent to your email address. So we've got 2 winners, about 95% attendance. We open it up. Adrian Phillips, well done Adrian. And Adrian is joined by Evie Troman. So congratulations Adrian and Evie, £5 voucher on its way to your school email address. Congratulations. Well done Adrian and Evie, £5 voucher, and now we've got the £10 voucher, which is 100% attendance, which given the situation we're currently in, from September right the way through to December the 11th. That's a phenomenal achievement, and my congratulations go to all those people, all those learners that are in this bag here. But unfortunately, we can only have 2 winners in addition to everyone getting a certificate. So the first winner for 100% attendance for Year 10 is Lucy Haddington. Well done, Lucy. And Lucy is joined by Jake Saunders. So congratulations Jake and congratulations Lucy. Fantastic achievement. £10 on its way to you. Okay, so we're doing our individual winners, which is a fantastic achievement. We do like a little bit of competition here at Beacon Hill Academy to raise those standards even higher and to try and dream even bigger for our attendance across the school. So we've got our form competition. Obviously, each form has a chance to win a box of chocolates delivered to their form this afternoon by various members of SLT and their learning manager. So now moving on to Year 10 form attendance award for those box of chocolates I've already mentioned. Congratulations to you all. In 5th place, 10 ADE. In 4th place, above 90% was 10 JTH, sorry. In 3rd place, 10 FBO. Very tight at the top, very competitive, which is what we like to raise those standards. In 2nd place, 10 AWA, enabling 10 RTU to win the box chocolates that will be delivered this afternoon. Congratulations to you guys. And we now move on to our Respecting Each Other and World Award. Really important, especially this time of year, given the current situation, that we focus on how well our learners are doing in terms of respecting themselves and respecting the environment at school. They've done amazingly well since the start of the year with all the zones and bubbles and staggered starts. And that's why we feel it's a real tribute to those learners to reward those that have respected themselves and each other at this time. It's been really humbling to see that, and the heads of year and the learning managers have come together and selected learners, and each learner now receives a £20 voucher for the Trust Respecting Each Other Award. Moving on to Year 10, let's see who won the £20 Amazon voucher. We did it to form time today by SLT or Miss Davis herself. And this award was chosen by Miss Davis, and it's gone to William Fellows. Massive congratulations, William, and £20 on its way to you this afternoon.
Good afternoon, Year 10. Welcome to the Christmas Awards for this academic year. First of all, I'd like to say a big well done to all of you this year. It's been a very difficult time with how the restrictions that have been put into place, but you've all abided by the rules necessary. All the online learning has been fantastic, that has been completed and submitted, but now we'll move on to the awards. We'll now move on to the awarding effort of the merits. So far, for the whole year, you have received over 40,000 merits in all the 4 groups added together. I do want to say a big well done to 10 FBO with 2,609 merits. Well done to 10 FBO. In this bag, I'll now show 2 top people now out of the top 30 of the year for this academic year. The first prize draw is for Peter Cooperton. Well done, Peter. That is a £10 Amazon voucher for you. The second student is Courtney Allen. Well done, Courtney Allen, and that's a £10 Amazon voucher for you as well. Well done, you too. We'll now move on to the students who've got 0 lines this term. We have got a prize draw here for 2 learners, and these 2 learners are Alicia Hartlebury. Well done, Alicia. And Zach Howard. Well done, Zach. Your reward will also be coming your way for £10 Amazon voucher.
Rewarding effort is a core value here at Beacon Hill Academy. It's so important because unless learners are working well and working hard, you're not going to be able to get the top grades. So, well done to this particular learner. It's only 1 learner in the whole school that we're awarding this prize to, and the prize is a £40 Amazon voucher. So, congratulations to Alexandra Waldman, who has secured over 350 merits, which is the highest in the school. Well done, Alexandra, who is in Year 7. Excellent work. Keep up the good effort.
Okay, so what's brilliant now is that we now get to combine some subject award alongside the attendance and much more you've seen at the merit and rewarding effort. So it's been really good the last term. Congrats to the staff and the departments, to nominate along with the head of the department, a variety of learners for each year group across different subjects. It's a phenomenal achievement selected by the teachers, so well done. And here are the winners now. Onto the Learning that Inspires Award. This follows nicely from the subject awards, and now looking at those, recognising those learners who go above and beyond in the classroom. Okay, and this is another Trust Award, so many thanks for the £20 voucher that will go to all these learners who are successful, and the learner that's demonstrated exemplary approach to learning, selected by the Learning Manager, is as follows. And finally, 10 awards for Learning That Inspires. Again, £20 voucher right away to you goes to Helen Lewis. So fantastic achievement, Helen, well done. Selected by your Learning Manager, Ms Davis, for a fantastic attitude to learning and all that you do in the school. Congratulations to you. Okay, a half-term challenge. The first half-term we had the sweet treats delivered by staff around the school, and now, given the current situation, we have amended our boundaries for these half-term challenges. So we've now gone to 20 merits or higher, 95% attendance, obviously not including any COVID-related illness, and obviously our no late and our under 4 lines. So we're coming around shortly with some selection boxes. It's been over 225 in just a 4-year group, which is amazing. Nearly 60, 70 selection boxes per year group. We look forward to seeing you shortly. Okay, now moving on to another of our Trust Awards. This is the Leading Together Award. Okay, we're really fortunate the Trust has provided a number of Amazon vouchers to help us promote and reward those learners who do so much towards our key core values. We've got a fantastic student leadership program at school that is stage-based right the way through to Year 7, all the way up to Year 11, and it's been a privilege to speak to those staff who will look after this program and who meet these learners on a regular basis and see the work they do in and around school. These learners are superb role models across the school. They've got to take part in work with Miss Redden for our Year 6 induction evening. They've also been part of our BBC Newsnight presentation, as well as working out and running events within the school. And it is only fitting that in their final year, we'll hopefully look to reward those learners in our Year 11 cohort for all they've done since they've started at Beacon Hill Academy. So we've decided to reward the following learners, all in Year 11, for their fantastic student leadership thrown through the school. And there could have been many, many more, but we've narrowed down to these 3. It's Edie Borton, Judith Parkinson, and Evie Jacks. And Miss Shingler herself wanted to comment on their excellent leadership and dedication to Beacon Hill. They're so reliable, can be called upon for anything to assist and lead the student council. So congratulations to you 3, all the best in the future, and don't forget our £20 in the email to you later this week.
We will now move on to the Beacon Hill Academy Form Tutor Awards. First of all, I'd like to say a big well done to all of you who have been nominated. The candidates have been chosen through myself and your form tutors. So first, for 10JTH is Lucy Birchill, and this is for outstanding attendance, punctuality and academic progress. Lucy always puts in 100% in all that she does, and she's a credit to herself and the form. Next we have 10AWA, which is Kia Hiscox, and that's for 0 lines or year, and she's helpful towards others within her form and around the school. In 10RTU is Alyssa Jones. She's an excellent team player in form and around the school. Well done, Alyssa. 10IEB, Leah Clayton. Well done, Leah, for having a positive outlook for the school and in all that she achieves. In 10AED is Amber Edwards. She's very well mannered, respectful, and she follows the 5 core values. Well done to Amber. 10CBR, Rebecca Masampo. She puts in 100% in all that she does, and she's very mature and reliable around the school. Well done, Rebecca. 10FBL, we have Paige Nitty, for being an outstanding member of the form and great support to others around her. She's a very positive role model towards others. 10TSW is Callum Parks. Callum, well done for being constantly positive and having a positive attitude towards school and high attainment levels. Well done to all of you who received these awards. And finally for me, I just want to say well done to you who received all these awards. I'll be bringing these around to you during full time this afternoon. Hope you all have a good Christmas and stay safe, and I'll welcome you back in January for the start of the new term. Well done.